Hi friends, welcome to the home recipes. Today I will show you how to make one of my mom's special recipe, village style chicken soup. Let's get started. Turn on the stove and place a kadai over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 1 cardamom, 2 cloves and quarter teaspoon of fennel seeds. Leave it for a few seconds until they become fragrant. Now add 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, and saute until it turns soft and translucent. There's no need to brown onions. Just cook them until they become translucent. Next add 2 green chilies and few curry leaves. Then add the coriander stems. They add a wonderful aroma and bring out a rich, fresh flavor in the soup. So don't skip them. Saute for 5 seconds everything. Next, I am adding 2 small tomatoes, finely chopped, and saute them for about 1 minute. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for another 1 minute until the raw smell disappears. Now add quarter teaspoon of salt. This helps with tomatoes soften and cook. I am using 250 grams of bone-in chicken and add it to the kadai and saute it well. For the soup to taste good, you need to use bone-in chicken. So I take 250 grams of bone-in chicken and saute it well in a kadai until the masala coats it nicely. Now add 4 mint leaves. They give the soup a refreshing flavor and a wonderful aroma. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder to the chicken and saute it for about 2 minutes. Now add half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything well and saute for a few seconds. For the spices, coat the chicken evenly. Now I am adding 1.5 liter of water for the soup to serve 3 to 4 people. We already added quarter teaspoon of salt while sauteing the ingredients. Now taste the soup and adjust the salt to your preference. I am adding another half a teaspoon of salt. Once the soup comes to a good boil, cover the kadai with a lid and let it medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, now let's open the lid and take a look. Our chicken soup is ready. As you can see, the oil has separated beautifully, which means the soup is perfectly cooked. Finally, add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. It adds warmth to the soup. Now add some fresh coriander leaves and mix well. That's it. Village style chicken soup is ready to serve. Enjoy it hot. When serving the soup, place 1 sliced boiled egg. It makes the soup even more delicious. Serve it hot and enjoy. That's it. One of my mom's special recipe is ready. Try this recipe at home and enjoy it. Happy cooking and subscribe for the home recipes channel. Like this video and share it with your friends and family. Also let me know in the comments how your soup turned out. Thank you for watching.